Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to order on Walmart. First of all, what you have to do is launch up on Walmart application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Walmart application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the shop interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find various items over here. You can simply shop these items. Or if you do not find the item over here, you can also search for it. For that, what you have to do is simply tap on the search bar. Now after you do that, what you have to do is search for the item. You can use the item number or you can also simply write the name of the item in order to search for it. You can see over here, you'll be able to see the results. Simply tap on the item that you would like to shop. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find more information about that particular item. You can read these informations if you want. After you do that, if you want to buy this item right away, what you have to do is tap on this option buy now. But if you do not want to buy this right away, if you want to add it to cart, tap on this option add to cart. Here I'm just going to tap on this option buy now. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to find various informations. You can also specify the quantity if you want. If you want to increase the quantity, tap on the plus icon. If you want to decrease the quantity, tap on the minus icon. Now after you specify the quantity, you'll also be able to find the options like arriving, ship to, pay with and estimated total over here. Over here, if you want to change the location, what you have to do is tap on this option ship to. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to select the address. You can simply select the existing address, or if you want to add the new address, what you can do is tap on this option add new address. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to add the address. Simply select the address of your choice and tap on this option save. Now once you do that, you'll also have to specify the payment method. Tap on this option pay with. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply select the payment method over here. You can see over here, you'll be able to add various payment methods. You'll be able to find the options like card, OnePay, bank, etc. Simply add the payment method of your choice. Here I'm just going to add the card. For that, tap on the field of card number. Now what you have to do is enter the card number over here. Now after you do that, what you have to do is select the card type. Tap on the field of card type. Now what you have to do is simply specify the card type over here. After you do that, also enter the 4-digit PIN. Now tap on this option save card that you can see on the screen and the card will be saved. Now the payment method will be added. You'll also be able to see the estimated total over here. Now after you specify all these informations, what you have to do is tap on this option place order that you can see on the screen. After that, the order will be placed and the item will be delivered to you. So like this, you'll be able to order on Walmart. So that is how you order on Walmart. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.